Hi everyone. Welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create wavy text in Canva using a free app. It's quick, easy, and perfect for making your design stand out. Let's get started. First, we need to install a free app. Go to the Apps section in Canva and type Warp in the search bar. This is the app. Click to install it. Once installed, you'll see this interface. Start by typing your text here. Below the text box, you'll find the font picker with plenty of fonts to choose from. Select the one you like. Next to it, you'll see the color picker. Set your text color from here. Now, let's move to the shapes. With this app, you can wrap your text into various shapes. For this tutorial, I'll use this wavy shape, and as you can see, our text instantly follows the wave pattern. Each shape comes with its own customization options. For the wavy shape, you can adjust the wave intensity and height. Tweak these settings until it looks just right, and then add it to your design. It's that simple. One more thing, you can always customize the text after adding it. Just click on Edit. For example, I'll change the wave direction here and hit Update. The text updates instantly, so you don't need to start over every time. I've included the app link in the video description. It's completely free. This is a new app, and by the time you're watching this, even more shapes might be available. That's it for today. If you want to take your designs to the next level, make sure to check out this video next. I'll see you there.